Good morning, students. Today we will start a new chapter, that is chapter 9, algebraic expressions and identities. Students, in this chapter, first of all, we will discuss about expressions. After that, we will discuss about algebraic expressions and types of expressions. This is introduction video, students, and after this introduction video there will be a video related to exercise 9.1. So first of all we have to discuss about expression, student. What are expressions? So student, let us take a number that is 15. This number is 15 and we can express this number like 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, 5 times 3. This one 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. We can express this 15 like this, or we can write it 3 into 5. It is also 15. Or we can express this number as 5 plus 5 plus 5. It is also 15, student, and we can express this number like this, 5 into 3. All these are the expressions, student. We can express 15 in many ways like this. So student, if we write this 3x is equal to 15, this is an equation, student. Equation, it means where is a sign in between two expressions, sign of equality between two expressions. This is equal sign, student. This is an equation, and we are discussing about the expressions, student. So first of all, find this equation, and in this equation the value of x is 5 in this, and if we write this 3x is equal to 18, then the value of x will be changed. If we write this 3x is equal to 21, then again value of x changed here. The value of x will be 7 in this equation. Clear, student? And in this equation the value of x will be 6. In this equation the value of x will be 5. So x changes from place to place. So in this expression, this one 3x is an expression, student, and in this expression there is 3, that is constant. Constant, it means it has a fixed value, student, and x is variable. Variable, it means, student, which changes its value from place to place like this. In this equation the value of x changes here. Clear, student? So first of all we have to understand this equation. This is an equation because there is a sign of equality in between two expressions. This 3x is an expression, 15 is also an expression, student, and in between these two expressions there is a sign of equality, therefore it is equation. So there is difference between equation and expression, student. Expression is this 3x, 15. These are the expressions, student. 3x, 15 are the expressions, and in between if there is a sign of equality then that is an equation. So now we have to discuss about the expression. In this expression, student, we find that there is a constant and a variable. So what is expression? An expression is a combination of variables and constant. Clear, students? So, the combination of variable and constant are called expression. Like this: 3x 5x plus 2 x square plus 7 x plus y plus z. These are expressions, student, and if there is sign of equality in between two expression, then we call that an equation, student. So there is difference between expression and equation, student, and we are discussing about the expression. So expression is the combination of variable and constant. Clear, students? Now we will discuss about the algebraic expression. What is an algebraic expression? Algebraic expressions. Algebraic expressions. What is an algebraic expression? We will discuss about algebraic expressions because our chapter is algebraic expressions and identities. So we must know about the algebraic expression. An expression is called algebraic expressions when four fundamental operations or mathematical operations are involved in this. So an algebraic expression is expression in which four fundamental operations are involved. And algebraic expression is an expression in which four fundamental operations are involved. Clear, student? So algebraic expression is an expression in which four fundamental operations are involved. What are four fundamental operations, student? In mathematics, addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. These are fundamental operations, basic operations, and these are the four fundamental operations. If in algebraic expression these four fundamental operations are involved, then the expression is called an algebraic expressions. Like this, student: 3x, this one is an expression, student, and in this there is 3 into x. Clear, student? 2x plus y, there is 2 into x plus y. 3x square minus 4y, this is algebraic expression. X cube minus x square plus xy, these all are the algebraic expressions, students, and this type of expressions in which four fundamental operations are involved are called algebraic expressions. So all these are the algebraic expressions. Now we will discuss about some algebraic expressions and their terms, factors and coefficients. So first of all we will write some algebraic expressions here, student. So algebraic expressions terms, factors and coefficients. So student, algebraic expressions like 3x, x square plus y square, x plus y plus z, 3x plus 2y, a plus b plus c plus d, a square plus b square plus c square, x cube plus y cube. These are the algebraic expressions, student. Now we have to write the terms. How many terms are there in these algebraic expressions, student? First, this one 3x. So in this, student, there is only single term, this one term, and that is 3x. Student, this one 10x y z, it is single term expression. Clear, student? So it is one term only. Plus and minus or addition and subtraction separate the terms, student, like this. X plus y. There are two terms, student. First term is x and second term is y, because addition and subtraction or plus and minus separates the terms. But in this case, there is no addition or no subtraction. There is multiplication only, student. So multiplication does not separate the terms. Only addition and subtraction separates the terms, like this. A plus b plus c. There are three terms, student, because in between these there is addition. There is sign of addition. 7x minus 2y. There are two terms. First term is 7x and second term is 2y. This one 7 into x, student, but this is a single term. This is one term. So in this case, student, in this case 3x, it is single term, one term, and that is 3x. And in this, student, in this case x square plus y square, there are two terms. First term is x square, second term is y square. And now factors. What are the factors of this 3x? 3 into x. And what are the factors of x square, student? Factors of x square, x into x. What is the factor of y square? That is y into y. Now what are the coefficients? Coefficients are the numerical value of the expression, student. And in this term 3x, 3 is the coefficient. So coefficient of this term is 3. And coefficient of this term, student, this x square, this one x into x, factors are x into x. And in this x square, it means, student, 1 into x square is equal to x square. So numerical value of this expression is 1. So coefficient of this term is 1. And again coefficient of this term y square, it is again 1. Clear, students? Now in this x plus y plus z, there are three terms. First term is x, second term is y, and third term is z. And factors are x, in this y, and in this z only. And coefficients are coefficient of x, that is 1, coefficient of y, that is 1, coefficient of z, that is 1. And in this, student, a plus b plus c plus d, there are 4 terms, and coefficient of each term is 1. In this a square, b square plus c square, student. In this a square, first term, b square, second term, c square, this one is third term. There are 3 terms, and coefficient of each term is 1, student. And in this x cube plus y cube, if we write here 2x cube plus 3y cube, 3y cube. The terms will be, student, terms will be 2x cube and second term is 3y cube. And factors will be 2 into 2 into x into x, and in this 3 into y into y into y, because it is y cube, we have to multiply y 3 times. These are the factors. Now we have to write the coefficients of each term. So in this coefficient the numerical value is 2, so coefficient is 2 here, and in this term coefficient is 3 here, student. If it is 3x minus 7y, so there are 2 terms, and coefficient of first term x is 3 and coefficient of second term y is minus 7, student, because it is minus 7. Clear, students? Students, now we will classify the expressions or algebraic expressions according to their terms. So first, that is monomials. What are monomials? Algebraic expressions having one term are called monomials. Algebraic expressions having one term or single term are called monomials, like 3x 5z cube 2x square 10xyz. These are monomials, student, because these all expressions, these all algebraic expressions are only one terms. These algebraic expressions having only one terms, student, therefore they are called monomials. Now what are binomials? Algebraic expressions having two terms are called binomials. Like x plus y, this one binomial, student, x cube plus y square, having two terms, therefore it is binomial. 5x plus 3z, 2x plus 3y, 3x cube plus 5x square. These all are of two terms. These algebraic expressions having two terms are called binomials. So algebraic expressions having two terms are called binomials. Now trinomials. What are trinomials, student? Algebraic expressions having three terms are called trinomials. Like x square plus 5x plus 7, this one trinomial. 3x cube plus 2x square plus 5x, this one trinomial, student, because it has three terms. So algebraic expressions having three terms are called trinomials. all algebraic expressions which have 3 terms are called trinomials, student, and polynomials, student. Algebraic expressions having any term are called polynomials. It may 1 term, 2 term, 3 term or more than 3 terms, students. So, algebraic expressions having any term are called polynomials. Remember, student, all these are the polynomials. There are some special names: monomial, binomials, trinomials, according to their terms. But we can say all algebraic expressions are polynomials. So, polynomials may have 1 term, 2 term, 3 term or more than 3 terms. So, polynomial means algebraic expressions. It may be 1 term, 2 term, 3 term or more than 3 terms. So, student, these are the classification of algebraic expressions which can be classified in these monomials. If there is only single term, 1 term, that is called monomial. If there is 2 terms in algebraic expression, that is called binomial. If there is 3 terms, so that is called trinomials. And if there are more than 3 terms, we can say it polynomials. And we can say all these algebraic expressions as polynomials, student. So, after this, we will solve the questions from exercise 9.1, student. So, in the next video, we will discuss about the questions related to exercise 9.1.